right now, this is going to be a project right from the jump. But Blue Cat Marine has a customer. This is good. We've got a small garden growing up here on the cover of the bowrider, and it comes with a volleyball, which is always nice. Gonna have to probably put new tires on here in order to move it. This is an old Mercury-made Force motor, 120 horsepower. If it runs, great. If not, we'll see if we can get it running. Check this out. Skag re-welded on the bottom. That's pretty cool. It's a Bayliner Capri 1800 LS. Any of you people out there ever had one of these, let me know what's going on. Fortunately, this thing's been covered up, and that's probably prevented a lot of water and UV damage from the sun. Covered up in more ways than one, I guess. This is a boat probably worth salvaging, so we'll see what happens. Hull and trailer appear to be in good shape. We'll find out more about that, but at least I believe I'll be able to pull it out of here, no problem. Blue Cat tree service first here before we work on this boat. That's not good at all. Very angry pit bull. Very, very angry. All right, so we need to get these tires, put on these rims, and then we're going to be in business. What's wrong with you, huh? Oh, poor thing, I heard you're deaf. Had to pick up a burglary tool for this next part. Cordless. Yeah. Ow! Woo, that's hot. Kind of looks badass from this angle, doesn't it? Towing pretty good so far. We're rolling. Something growing in there. Oh my God. It's gonna need a complete gutting. We're gonna have to gut. We're gonna have to tear the whole thing open if we're gonna save it. Oh my God. Yeah, that's not green carpet. So now that we've peeled the covers back, so to speak, on this project, we know a couple of things. One, all the seat cushions, of course, are wrecked because they have plywood backing on them, and those are rotten. We know the top cap part of the boat's probably in good shape, and we know that the floor is absolutely rotten. We know that the boat has been sitting for 6 years under that tree, and we also know that the outboard motor that's on it had very low hours when it was put away for the last time. So as you can see, the first logical step, of course, is to pressure wash the entire thing inside and out, and this way we don't catch diphtheria while we're working on this Bayliner. After that, we will tear up the floor and inspect the stringers, and those are the parts of the boat that hold the floor up and kind of give a rigid structure to the hull. The last thing we'll have to do before we can give the customer an honest evaluation of the boat from stem to stern is inspect that outboard motor, see if we can get it running and make sure it doesn't have any serious problems. So scientists say that you have to remind people to subscribe to the channel, but see, I'm not that petty.
How's it look? Better though? Much better?
Oh, yeah, it's better. So now you can see how it is.
Yep.
So this poor, deaf, emaciated puppy comes walking into the shop and basically forces us to take care of her. And I'm pretty sure her mother and her father are brother and sister. There's definitely something wrong with this dog, but looks like we have a mascot now.